Are you interested to know your date of birth? Or you already know your date of birth and you want to know your age? In this video, we shall look at how you can compute your age having known your date of birth. The first thing is for you to put the today's date using the DATEDIF function. So you put equals today, open parentheses, close parentheses, press enter. So you can have this done. So you find the difference between today's date and the person's date of birth. So this will give you the number of days the person has spent on the surface of the earth. So these individuals have spent this particular number of days from their day of birth till date. Someone born on the 7th of July 1990 have spent 12 days 12,433 days on the surface of the earth. Someone born on the 8th of January 1962 have spent 22,840 days on the surface of the earth. So with these, we can compute the number of months, the number of years they have spent. But since our focus is to know their age, so we can just go straight by dividing their total number of days spent by how many days make a year. 365 days make 1 year. So we can now take away the decimals by using the int, the integer function equals int, and we're going to have their age straightforward. I'm going to decrease the decimal. So we have their int straightforward. So the age of someone born on the 7th of July 1990 currently will be 34. So this is how you can compute age of individual. There is a function called YEARFRAC that can also help you do the same. Using equals YEARFRAC, the start date is when you are born, comma, end date is the current today's date, comma. We are using 365 actual, that is the third option. And once you press enter, you can see what we have now is similar to what we have here with some additional decimals. So using the int, you'll be able to get the exact year. That means the age as at last birthday. Boom, which is equal to what we have here. So this is how you can compute your age using Microsoft Excel. This is useful for HR professionals. This is also useful for individuals, admins, etc. Like, share, subscribe if you are watching this video for the first time. Bye for now.